Yamaha Brazil carries in its DNA a passion for innovation, performance, and excellence. Every detail is designed to deliver superior quality, driven by people committed to the future. The quality assurance team acts as a strategic pillar within the organization, seeking smart solutions for complex problems, promoting continuous improvement, and ensuring the satisfaction of our customers. With a commitment to accelerating decision-making and promoting a culture of structured problem-solving, the Analysis Solution Hub Room was born. The Ash Room. This space was designed to connect knowledge, method, and agility in one place. With a dedicated team, modern tools, and a full focus on fast and effective solutions. The Ash Room is a milestone in the evolution of Yamaha quality and in the efficient resolution of complex problems. Our greatest strength lies in people, skilled professionals who use advanced methods like Red X to find root causes and ensure that every action delivers real and effective results. Yamaha was the first organization in the north of Brazil to use this tool for solving complex problems. All this effort and dedication was recognized with the Dorian Awards in the bottom line category, an achievement that represents quality, excellent results, and the power of teamwork and continuous improvement by the quality assurance team. Yamaha Motor da Amazônia is the only two-wheeler industry in the world to receive this award. Yamaha Brazil continues to accelerate toward the future with quality, innovation, and a passion for always doing its best. One team, one plan, one goal.